This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so you avoid surprises later. Check the seller's certification, ratings, and the return window. These protect you if the phone fails. Inspect the listing for model, storage, carrier lock, and listed battery health because these affect resale value and longevity. Once done, set a clear budget and minimum specs, OS version, storage size, warranty length, so you can quickly compare offers without second-guessing and move to the platform checklist. You now dive into the middle steps, comparing listings and parsing refurbishment details. Look for clear photos and descriptions of parts replaced and the cosmetic grade so you know what to expect. Check whether the battery was replaced and when. Batteries drive long-term satisfaction. Make sure the seller details a testing window and any restocking fees. This affects your risk. Also confirm if the phone has an official warranty or certified refurbisher backing, because that's your leverage if something fails. You finish by validating the phone immediately and knowing what to do if it's wrong. When it arrives, inspect the exterior, power it on, and test touchscreen, cameras, speakers, microphones, charging, and Wi-Fi. These checks prove functionality. Run carrier and EMA checks and look for battery cycle info, then factory reset to ensure no locked accounts. If anything is off, document with photos and videos, file a return within the testing window, and escalate to the platform or your card issuer if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.